Sorry for late.
Okay, no worry. So, hi sir, good evening. How are you?
Yeah, good evening. Thanks for asking. I'm fine.
So, we are meeting first time. So, could you introduce yourself?
Sure, why not? Definitely. So, thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity about myself. So, as you know, um, my name. I'm MD Rasta Sharkar. I belong from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I live in Dhaka also. I am, and If I talk about my academic background, I have completed degree from Dhaka, and I have completed degree from Dhaka. And presently, I live and I'm doing job at international organization, and I love to speak in English, and I want to be a fluent. So that's why I joined in this platform. Along with that, I have a small YouTube channel where I have put conversation with you, short of with you. I'm learning and I am growing. So that's all about me. So I love to know about you also. Thank you very much, ma'am.
So, as you know, my name is Kirti. I live in Bangalore. I am a proud homemaker as well as a mother of one child. Apart
I,
from this, I am learning this language to enhance my communication skill.
yeah,
And if I would talk about my education, so I have done bachelor in commerce, and nowadays I am pursuing an MBA.
right,
Moreover, I have also created my channel to enhance my communication skill and try to connect with new people. So I am gaining my confidence also. So that's the reason I have created my channel. So it is pretty much about me.
thank
So
you.
how long have been learning this language?
Actually, ma'am, I have been learning since 1 month, 5 days, maybe.
Okay, so but now in a month, actually, you are more comfortable and more confident about
Yeah,
this
yeah.
language.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm a beginner. I could not speak before 1 month ago, and now I'm improving. I don't know how much I have improved, I'm beginner. So if you find any mistake in my speech or in my English, broken English, so please take it easy. Don't take otherwise. So I beg
So
your pardon, ma'am.
yeah, why did you think you have to improve your communication skill?
Sorry, ma'am. Please repeat it.
Why did you think you have to improve your communication skill?
Oh, okay. So where I am doing job, so there are so many foreigner work with me. So if I connect with them, or if I contact with them, so I need to English. I need to speak in English for connecting with them. So that's actually very emergency for connecting with them if I continue do job with them also. So it is very important to learn English for me basically. You know, on the other hand, English is international language. It helps for connecting, communicating, and also understanding each other. Those as a like foreigner. So English is not our mother tongue. English is a foreign language and second language for us. So thank you very much.
Yeah, definitely. I totally agree with you because English is not our language. It is a global language, so definitely we have to learn. So, what habit you are applying to learn this language?
Okay, ma'am. So very good question for me. Well, so before 1 month ago, I when I could not speak in English in front of the seminar, also in front of foreigner also. That time actually I listen. motivational speech from the YouTube also. I have one favorite teacher. She's not from our country. She's from Indian. She's from maybe Telangana. Susmita Roy. So I listen from her.
One
Um,
second, sorry for interruption. Actually, someone was on my door, so.
no problem.
No problem. Okay, so you are joining Okay.
And
So,
also Ashwani also. She is also YouTuber
yeah.
teacher. So I learned from many things from her actually. I motivate from her also. That's why actually uh, they shared one video and how to be affluent, and I like this. So I mean, I follow their instruction.
Aswani Verma, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so you are following him also.
yeah.
Okay, that's nice actually. So, so what does success mean to you?
Uh, I mean, I can. I will be able to in my able to success in my life if um, I maintain if I maintain my consistency regularly every single day, then I can success, or I can overcome in my English journey. So definitely,
Yes, definitely. I totally resonate with you
yeah,
because if we are consistent and we are practicing every day, so definitely we should achieve our goal.
yeah. So, ma'am, I have one question to you.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the best way to improve English journey, basically for me?
So I
Because you know,
think, for my opinion, actually, that speaking is the best way, and listening. And if you are into in reading, so that is the cherry on the cake for you also.
yeah, yeah. And what mistake should I um, what mistake should I uh, avoid for practicing in English?
Um, I think you have to consistent. You don't break the consistency actually, and try to connect with people again every day.
Yeah,
So we become more fluent, and we overcome our fear also.
yeah.
Yes, sir. So, what makes become truly confident to you?
Actually, truly confident because I learned many things from my favorite teacher. So every single day, I try to connect with anyone for practicing, joining conversation, or on the other hand, I listen many of video and conversational motivational speech also. So actually, this way I'm trying hard from my side to be affluent.
Okay, so apart from listening, what are you doing to learn this language? You are only listening, or anything else you are doing?
Yeah, you know. um if I want to be a fluent in English, so there is a four pillar of learning English. So not only uh, I I mean um, not only listening, speaking, but also I sometime whenever I get free time, I write something, and I mm, uh, uh, I'm reading new story books from the chat GPT, and also storybooks. This way actually, apart from listening and speaking, I do. And before going to bed, think I practice what I did from getting up to going to bed.
Okay, sir. So means when you have started your journey, so what type of hurdles come in your in learning journey?
Actually, before starting my journey, actually, I feel I feel nervous. I feel shy, and I automatically um, feel shy and nervous, and also um, I could not speak. So this type of problem I faced, like nervousness and shy, and also struck and fear. So many things actually it is challenging for me also to overcome for being a fluent.
I think whoever has started their journey, so definitely they have faced same challenges, because earlier I used to also face same challenges, because earlier I used to fumble a lot, and whenever I connect with people, so my mind went blank also. So I over it from connect with people every day, and I am also trying to listen attentively nowadays,
Yeah,
because I am not into in listening actually. I am into in reading. So I am also trying to inculcate this habit also.
yeah. So ma'am, can you give me some advice for learning English?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get actually.
Okay. Can you give me some advice for learning English, for being a fluent?
So yeah, means whenever you get time to, so you try to connect with people more and more, and you try to speak more and more. If people will not available, so nowadays AI is helpful for us, right?
Like
So
ChatGPT?
yeah, ChatGPT is working, and you try to make a video. Means whatever you pick a one topic, and you try to make a video and record in your mobile, and see that where you are making a mistake. So
Yeah,
next time you will see, you will not do that mistake again.
yeah, yeah, sure. So, thank you very much. I learned many things from you, ma'am, and I will follow your instruction and advice also. And after 1 week, again, I will join conversation with you, and I will judge. I can judge. So, how much I improved. And am I right?
Yes, so you will ask to me how much I have improved my communication,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Even also everything from now, I will try. I will best try from my side to make a video, and so for observing where I am mistaking. Um, so everything I will find, everything I can find out from the making video. Also, this is a one kind of uh, technique for being a fluent. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, so you will try, because it's work on me actually. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
I am
yeah,
suggesting you.
yeah. Thank you
So
so much for joining conversation with me. It is a first time with you, so I'm very happy. It's my pleasure for me. So thank you.
thank you for giving your time also. So I am happy with connect with you also likewise, and thanks for giving your time. So thank
Yeah,
you. So have a
thank
nice
you
day.
very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.